With all the available skincare and products on the market, it's really hard to come up with your own skincare routine, and also as a customer, it can be really challenging to choose the right items. For the longest ever, companies were having a three-step process, which was clean, tone, and hydrate. That's all what we knew for, I don't know, many years, till science and the new ingredients come up on the board and it changed. The first step in a skincare routine is cleanse. Why? Because after you wake up, or I should say in the morning, your skin, or I should say whatever else which is left, all the dirt, impurities are on the top. For example, at night your body recovers while your skin is repairing. That's why it's important for your skin to be washed in the morning. And depending on the skin type, you're gonna go with either one of three, which is cream cleanser, foaming wash, gel cleanser, and foam. It's up to you which one you're gonna choose. You're gonna follow with a toner. What is a toner? Most of the time it's a liquid with good ingredients. It's like this one has a witch hazel, willow bark, and hyaluronic acid. The other one it's with pads. Same as with the cleanser, it's up to you which form do you prefer. What does toner do? After you clean your face, you want to just make sure it's clean. So that's what toner does. And also it brings the pH to the right level. Like our skin level, it's 5.5. But after you clean it, it's gonna change. That's where toner comes into place to bring it back into normal. The second step is the serum, I should say repair. For the day, I have the vitamin C. Why? Because vitamin C works, or I should say fight free radicals, and there's plenty of them in the air, and also works with the hyperpigmentation. So that's the one which I'm currently using, but in overall, because vitamin C is sticky, I'm gonna follow up with a serum. In this case, I have either the hydrating, technically they're both hydrating, but you wanna make sure it's like you want to make sure you're going to have a milky texture to prevent the stickiness. And then the next step is hydration. You can use any moisturizer, because what matters the most is the serum, I should say the essence, the repair pouches. Now, so far we got clean, tone, repair, hydrate. Now that's the moisturizer from Your Good Skin, which I do enjoy it. Unfortunately, it doesn't has SPF, so I'm using a separate one. This one is with SPF 45, but you can already find one which has SPF in it. For example, like this one has SPF 20, but you're not gonna put a thick layer, so you're not gonna receive that 20 protection. It's gonna be less. However, because there is at least SPF, that's better than nothing. If you want to make sure you get a better protection, you can go with makeup, or I should say foundation with SPF. This one has 42. So for example, you can go with either with those two, you can go with one, or you can go with all three of them. And don't forget about your eye area. Yes, you can use the same items for your eyes, but each person is different, and our skin can be really sensitive. So please don't forget about the eyes. Now let me just get a small recap. You're gonna start with a cleanser, follow up with a toner, serum of your choice, then moisturizer and SPF. I should say sunblock, which is really important because sun causes sun, it's a cause of the biggest sun damage. And eye cream. Okay, so that was my short daytime routine. Hopefully you enjoy it, and I see you next time. Bye.